Orientation to Chemical Engineering featuring Robbie Isabel Patipunan, Ron Jason Maulion, Aaron Kane Videnya, Samantha Haley Villaflor. Let's talk about chemical engineering.
Chemical engineering was developed in the 19th century because of the industrial chemistry before the Industrial Revolution in the 18th century, the time where chemicals such as or sodium bicarbonate became in demand in quality and quantity. Chemical engineering is one of the broadest types of engineering which focuses not only on chemicals, which make up everything, but also on developing and designing plants and processes for manufacturing chemicals. In chemical engineering, the father of discipline is George Edward Davis. He is the one who wrote the book, A Handbook of Chemical Engineering, which explains broad features in chemical engineering. He also published the 12 famous lecture series given in Manchester Technical School in 1880. In the Philippines, Luis F. Razon was the first Filipino chemical engineer who contributes to a theory which he made in his thesis for his PhD in 1985 to 1986. In 2014, different Filipino mathematicians revived the research of Luis Razon, which focuses on biological applications and power law kinetic systems.
To be a chemical engineer, they are required to take up different courses in chemistry, engineering, mathematics, including but limited to business classes, ethics, and economics. Each aspiring chemical engineer are also required to take up the board exam as an experience requirement before engaging in activities and work that relates to the industry.
Chemical engineers focus on how to design and troubleshoot processes for production of chemicals, fuels, foods, medicines, and etc. Chemical engineers design and operate processes to manufacture substances and also work in industrial processes to improve the efficiency and economics. There is also a chemical engineering law and code of ethics that a chemical engineer must know. The 2009 Code of Ethics is about the incorporated and amended laws which focuses on the practice of the profession of chemical engineering. The RA 9297 or the CHE law of 2004, which consists of 22 sections. Chemical engineers uses factory-size equipment in working on industrial-scale reactions compared to chemists who only work in a relatively small materials or on a laboratory bench.
Chemical engineers achieve things in different fields which many people benefit from it until now, like in the environment, medicines, electricity generation, food, and water. In the environment, chemical engineers provide economical answers to clean up waste, prevent pollution, and to help reduce the strain on natural materials. More efficient processing and new recycling technologies. They also develop improvements in medicines through mutation and special brewing techniques. Margaret Hutchinson was known because of producing the first commercial penicillin production plant. And lastly, they also provide food and water by the advance in biotechnology to further increase worldwide food production and to make potable water by removing harmful pollutants from both raw source of water and contaminated wastewater.
Chemical engineers have been of vital importance upon the advancement of providing different and ideas that have been helpful contribution towards the industry, unofficially starting from the production of soda ash to providing solutions upon environmental problems, mostly related to biotechnology.
Chemical engineer, as a profession, contribute to a broad spectrum of technical activity, reaching into practically every aspect of advanced technology. This breadth is represented by a vast range of endeavors: renewable energy from biomass, man-made polymers and smart materials, new liquid and gaseous fuels from coal, drug discovery and manufacture, engineering new metabolic pathways in cells, unique chemicals from enzymatic reactions, thin film processes for electronic devices, new catalysts for energy needs, removal of pollutants in air and water, solar energy conversion, new battery and fuel cell system, and countless others.
Chemical engineer as a career may work in the oil and gas, basic or specialty chemicals, or pharmaceutical industries. They may start as research, process development, or production engineers, and have job responsibilities that might include scaling up processes, designing processes and equipment, planning and testing production methods and byproduct treatment, or directing facility operations.
Chemical engineering has been unique toward other engineering courses is that we deal with each and every segment of the industry, from textile to polymer to cosmetic, metallurgy, environment, cement, petroleum, designing, pharmaceutical, biomedical, and etc.